Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to center align text in Notion. So let's get started. Creating equation. Press the plus button or type dash block equation. Inside the equation block, add curly brackets on each side. Changing size. To change the text size, go to the equation block. Type dash tiny, dash small, dash large, or dash huge to set the desired size. Changing font. To change the font, go to the equation block, use the code for your preferred font, such as dash math PT for typewriter, dash math SF for sans serif, dash math BB for chalkboard, or dash math RM for Roman, or dash math cal for calligraphic. Changing background color. Right-click on the equation block and convert it to text. Click on the color icon to change the background color. Convert the block back to an equation, and it will retain the chosen background color. From this, you can now insert your text with different fonts, font sizes, and colors. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. See you next time.